the world largest mangrove in the Bangladesh. That's it, Sundarban. The Sundarban is the most dangerous place. You should obey the command of God. Otherwise, you may be attacked anytime by the tiger. You can see a lot of deer, monkeys, snakes, and tiger. Don't try to face tiger in front of you because he can kill anytime you. They're more dangerous and very carbonious.